Dang, I couldn't find them. Okay, finally got it. Okay, we got the USB in there. We got the little rubber so that the plastic, so that the water won't go in there. It has a little cap, and the cable is tucked in on the left side. If you look at the cable, it actually says USB on there, and it's tucked in the left side. Pull it out, take the cap off, install the OEM USB, put the rubber connector over there, push out the USB, and you got a USB charging for phones. And me in particular, I need charging for the cameras, I need charging for the phones, I need charging for all types of stuff. But finally we got it in, and that was a quick install. About 5 minutes. Really, the actual word 5 minutes, it took me about 15 to find that cable though. But alright, you already know, man. Aprilia 457 throttle query 312, man. Stay tuned for the next upgrade.